Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down a gold trade based on the new liquidity trading method. Yes, you guys heard it correct. So as you guys know, we have introduced a new trading concept to those students who are a part of Mac Trading Academy, right? And a new course is coming very soon, breaking down my entire liquidity trading method, as well as a masterclass to assist those of you traders who want to be able to master liquidity concepts. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down gold. Gold produced us about 15.47% or something like that. We'll get into the breakdown so I can show you guys, right? And the entry was actually taken using the new liquidity trading method. Now, if you're someone and you're already a part of the YouTube family, all right, hopefully you joined in on the live stream earlier this week where we actually called this trade out. I showed you all where to look for the buy opportunity, and I also showed you all exactly where to take your profits. So without further ado, if you're not a part of the YouTube family, what I want you to do is go ahead and pause the video right now, hit that subscribe button, because what are you doing if you're not already subscribed? And make sure you guys hit that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I go live. You don't want to miss the live streams, guys. We've been live streaming all week long. Rewatch the live streams if you have not checked them out, because we have dropped some major gems in those live streams. Yesterday when we live streamed, we also did it along with my students. I had a portion of the live stream muted just to be able to answer certain questions for my students and everything like that. But those of you who joined in on the live stream and asked questions, we were able to answer your questions and make sure you guys have 100% understanding. Without further ado, let's get into a quick commercial break and then we'll get right into the video. I will catch you guys on the charts. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac, and I have an announcement for you. For those of you all a part of my trading community, we are currently up about 20% on our last Euro CAD day trade called out live to all of my trading community. If you are not a part of my trading community, but you want to be able to produce consistent results and you want to be able to have those payouts that you guys see all of my funded traders have, then what I want you to do is I want you to join my trading community. Now, currently, the price of the trading community is only 39 bucks. That's about $1.50 per day when you break it down. That's less than a cup of coffee. So if you're a trader and you're not yet profitable, or if you're a trader and you don't yet understand how to produce results, consistent results from the markets, join Mac Trading Academy's community, because you guys will be able to take advantage of my daily points of interest and entries as well, right? So I look forward to seeing you a part of our community, where I'm going to assist you with producing results the world is not familiar with. I will catch you all on the next one. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick commercial and the intro. Now let's go ahead and get right into the charts. So for those of you who joined the live stream, earlier this week, we went over the gold market and I gave you guys somewhat of an outline or a blueprint on what the gold market was going to do, and all you had to do was follow the gold market, right? Now, for those of you who have contacted me saying, hey Mac, I see the analysis go through every single time you make a video or every single time you talk about a certain asset on the live streams, but how do I actually get into the trade before it hits target, and how do I actually capitalize off of it? For those of you guys who have that question, join Mac Trading Academy, right? We assist traders with taking their trading to the next level, whether you want to become a funded trader or whether you want to trade your own capital. Here at Mac Trading Academy, we give you a trading plan. We break down each concept of the trading plan to make sure that you have 100% understanding, and then we show you how to actually apply that trading plan live on the markets, right? For those of you all who also want to become day traders, no worries. Our trading plan allows you to trade one specific session that you want to trade, or you can feel free to trade any and all sessions. It's completely up to you, right? Including Asia session if you're interested. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start breaking down gold. XAU USD. So within that webinar, I told you guys, or within that live stream, excuse me, I told you guys we would look for price to reject off of this region here and push to the downside. And once it pushed to the downside, excuse me, I told you guys that we would look for possible buy opportunities and look to see price tap back into this supply zone right here that you guys see is already highlighted based on the H4 time frame. Now, if we go to the H4 time frame, you guys can see it's pretty much just this inside bar and this wick. If we go to the daily, it's pretty much just this wick here, right? But that breaks down to a very, very important point of interest to myself as well as my students based on the institutional trading courses that all my students have access to. Now, if you're not already a mentorship student, I don't want you paying full price. Make sure you guys use new25. Everything is in the description. Use the code new25 to get 25% off. And I want to make sure you guys are saving a little bit of money when you sign up for the mentorship program. So here within this area, we can see that essentially I'm just looking to take a trade within a session. We're looking for buy opportunities, which means that every single time I have a trading opportunity within my session, I am going to take the trade. So here within this area, we can see that we have a sweep of liquidity to the downside, and it also takes place during New York session. Based on my liquidity trading strategy, I need certain criteria to take place. And with seeing all of this, I know that we could possibly have an entry opportunity on the lower time frame. So let's go ahead and head to the lower time frames and let's break down this entry opportunity that took place on gold during New York session.
What's going on, traders? I hope you all are doing well. This is your boy Mac, and for those of you that have been contacting me saying, Mac, how do I pass my funding challenge? I've taken multiple challenges, I continue to fail, all I need is 10%, what should I do? For those of you all who continue to ask me that question, for those of you all who continue to struggle with your own capital and you need more capital in order to really have a return on investment, what I want you to do is join me on my next live trading session. For those mentorship students who joined me on today, we were able to produce 17.49% live on the charts. I show you guys my analysis. I show you guys where I'm taking my buy positions. I show you guys where I'm taking my sell positions. And all you have to do as a mentorship student is join in on the live trading. So for those of you who want to become funded traders, I am going to assist you, and I'm going to make it very, very simple for you to join the mentorship program. What I want you to do is look in the description down below. Click the link to join Mac Trading Academy, sign up for the next live trading session, right? And I want you to pass your funding challenge with flying colors, okay? I'm also going to give you guys 25% off the mentorship program just to make it a little easier for you guys to get your funds together to join in on the mentorship program. I look forward to seeing you on our next live trading session where I will be showing you guys all of my trades so you can pass your funded challenge. This is Mac, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
All right, so now that we are on the lower time frame, okay, essentially gold is a market that is highly manipulated. And why is it highly manipulated? Simply because it is a safe haven for major investors, right? There are trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars invested into the gold market. And even though it is moved by an algorithm, right, that algorithm of price can be manipulated with a large number of quantity going in the market or a large number of quantity being taken out of the market in the form of capital, right? So with that being said, there are only specific times and there are only specific trades that I will take within the gold market to ensure that it is very high probability. For those of you all that are part of the mentorship program, you guys understand exactly how I view the gold market, and you guys know how to take advantage of the gold market in order to stay on the correct side. And this trade here was us staying on the correct side. So let's go ahead and break it down. So with the liquidity trading strategy, it's going to be slightly different from my institutional trading method. All right, and why is that? Simply because with the institutional trading method, you're going to have multiple confluences. However, with the liquidity trading method, your main confluence is liquidity. All right, and how do you look at liquidity? I'm not necessarily going to teach that within this video, but make sure you guys stay tuned because we may talk about it in another video. So here we can see that price reaches to the upside and takes out this buy side liquidity, right? As it takes out that buy side liquidity, we also have major imbalance formed within the market before that buy side liquidity is taken out and before price is able to wick above this region right here, right? Within that imbalance, that is exactly where I'm looking for price to balance itself out. Anytime you do see an imbalance mixed with other confluences that I'm not necessarily going to talk about within this video, but students of mine, a part of the mentorship program, you guys already have this info. But along with other confluences, when you see that imbalance, okay, that imbalance is essentially the market changing its delivery. Okay, and we want the market to rebalance itself within the same area that it decided to change its delivery. Now, anytime you guys see a random imbalance within the market, it doesn't necessarily mean the market has changed its delivery method. Okay, you need a set of confluences along with that imbalance in order to make sure that you are looking at the correct thing. I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about this. If you guys want this info, I'm only going to teach it within the masterclass, okay, within the course or within the mentorship program. If you're part of the mentorship program, then you have access to everything else. So if you would like this information, feel free to become a part, all right? So price taps back down into this imbalance. On gold, on this trade here, we were around 13.2 pips. Usually I'll round up to about 15 when I'm trading the gold market, but that is with my institutional trading strategy. When it comes to my gold trading strategy, which deals with liquidity, we do things slightly different over here. Right, so this was the entry here. As you guys can see, we really didn't have any drawdown whatsoever. If we measure this out here, we had about 4.2 pips of drawdown, and the rest was history. Price pushed to the upside, and we were break even before New York session had ended, which is fantastic. Right now, as it relates to target, the target was simply based on the higher time frame. I actually gave you guys this target as well, which is right here within this area for about 204.3 pips, giving us a return on investment of 15.48%. So for those of you all who joined in on the live stream, and for those of you all who are also able to take advantage of the trading community, you guys are up over 25% this week simply by just taking advantage of the information that is in front of you. All right. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me. And if you are not a part of the trading family, feel free to hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Much love. Peace out.